Welcome. If you're looking for a simple way to organize your Telegram conversations on your PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few easy steps, you can archive any chat, keep your inbox clutter-free, and still access those chats whenever you need them. Let's jump right in. The first step is straightforward. Launch the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can see your full chat list right on the left side of the screen. This is where all your conversations are neatly displayed, making it quick to find any chat you want to manage. Now, take a moment to scroll through your chat list and find the chat you want to archive. It could be an old group conversation, a work thread you don't need right now, or any chat that's not a priority at the moment. Hover over the chat with your mouse and get ready for the next step. Once you've found your target chat, right-click on it. A small menu will appear. Look for the option that says Archive. Click Archive. And just like that, your chat is whisked away into the archived section. This action doesn't delete the chat or its messages. It simply moves it out of your main chat list and into a special archived folder at the top or bottom of your chat screen, depending on your Telegram settings. Archiving chats is a quick way to keep important conversations safe and hidden until you're ready to revisit them. If you ever want to access your archived chats, simply find the archived chat section in your chat list and click on it. You'll see all the chats you've archived, ready to be opened just like any other conversation. Keeping your chats organized has never been easier, thanks to Telegram's updated desktop features. Try archiving a chat today and experience a cleaner, more efficient messaging space.